Hey guys, it's your boy Jawad and welcome to my new video. Today is day 189 a Log for 5 year journey, and I hope you are doing well. So I'm on my setup and hope you guys are doing well. So I'm drinking water currently. So the thing I want to say that I just made the last vlog and now I'm creating one. So hope you are doing well, improving my skill and things that need to be done. And today make some sheets for client, my work and this kind of stuff, and also reading some MCQ, you can say that. So my light is gone. So basically this is my setup and that's it. And I am not making videos with my face now, but soon I will make it. Hope that my voice is clear, and that's it. Also my goal is to create a video with good quality, but the main thing is I don't have some good stuff to do, or like my camera, lights, my lights is dim. So just drinking water, it's too hot here, and I'm studying, working, blogging, doing stuff that need to be done to become a successful entrepreneur, and building my personal brand, building my empire. And that's it. Bye. At the end, I will, and I do.